Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me in this cleaning motivation video. Since I also enjoy cooking, I'll also be sneaking in 2 food ideas at the end of the cleaning. If you're new here, my name is Ang, and here you'll find tons of cleaning motivation, some cooking, and other random lifestyle content. If you've been watching my cleaning videos, you already know that I do a little bit of cleaning each day, and this video was filmed over a course of a week. Let me know if you're cleaning along with me or what all you need to get done today. Now let's get cleaning. Unless I need to really point something out or explain, I don't tend to narrate or chit-chat too much throughout these types of videos. I feel like they are pretty self-explanatory as to what I'm doing. It also opens up that opportunity for you guys to connect with me and ask questions or say hello in the comments. I always start out my day by making the bed before leaving my bedroom, but in this case, it was my weekly sheet washing day, so you'll see me swap everything out. Then, as you just saw, I start a load of laundry. One tip that I have for putting on pillowcases, especially for those longer ones, is to flip the pillowcase inside out, line the inside corners with the pillow covers, and then roll the case over like so. One of my favorite things to clean in the kitchen is the sink because it's so satisfying to rinse everything down the drain and have a sparkling shine to the sink again. If you guys can relate, please let me know or tell me what is your favorite thing to clean in the kitchen. If you guys are still here with me, thank you so much for making it all the way here. I would like to know if it grosses you out to see folks cleaning a toilet. I love using these Clorox toilet bowl wands. When I'm done, I just toss out the used pad into the trash and wipe down the wand. In this spray bottle, I have a water and pine sol solution. We're just nearing the end of the cleaning portion. Next, we'll be making some homemade pizza sauce to go along with some naan bread pizzas and also a delicious carrot banana bread. Be sure to stick around if those sound good to you. All these recipes will be linked in the description. For the pizza sauce, I always make larger batches so that I can freeze them in pizza-sized portions and have it on hand. I'm melting some butter and adding diced onion, celery, and garlic. Saute for a few minutes until they start to soften. Next, add in tomato paste and tomato sauce. I was short on tomato sauce, so I just blended up some diced tomatoes in the NutriBullet. Add in fennel seeds, oregano, basil, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, salt, and sugar. I like my sauce to be more on the sweeter side, so I add a little bit more sugar. Mix everything up until it comes to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for at least 30 minutes to an hour. I've preheated my oven to 375 degrees and now it's time to assemble the pizzas. I'm gonna bake some in the oven and one in the air fryer for the first time and see which one I like better. I like to crisp up the naan bread a bit before adding the toppings, so I'll throw it in the oven for about 2 minutes. These two are the oven baked pizzas and the other single one is the air fryer one, and I think I like the oven baked one better. It just has a chewier texture, whereas the air fried one was a little bit more crispy. Moving on to the carrot banana bread, I also made a double batch and ended up making one loaf and some muffins. You can also freeze these as well. Again, the recipe will be linked below. Right here, I'm mixing all the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet in a separate one. I like to go a little heavier on the spices and even added ginger because I love the flavor so much. I'm going to mention that this recipe uses mayo. Yes, mayonnaise. It pretty much acts like the oil or butter that you would normally use in a recipe like this. Next, add in the mashed bananas that your bored child happily mashed for you. Gently mix the dry ingredients into the wet until just incorporated. Overmixing can cause the bread to be dense and chewy. This is why I like to hand mix instead of using an electric mixer. I've already added in the carrots and coconut flakes, and this is what the finished batter looks like. Thanks so much for joining me in this cleaning motivation video with some food content thrown in. If you enjoyed this video, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.